Hello, welcome to My Easy Statistics. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Contact me for data analysis and training. You can contact me through email or WhatsApp. In this video, we'll discuss how to select the right statistical method. Now we are going to discuss selecting the statistical method basing on the measurement types. Now measurement types, also called as scale of measurement or level of measurement, it describes the nature of information within the value assigned to the variables. And these measurement types are three types. The first one is categorical variable. Like variables which are like male and female, gender is a categorical variable. And we can have colors, like type of animals. These are called categorical variables. Categorical variables are also called as nominal variables. The second one is called continuous variables, like examination marks, height, weight, temperature. This all comes under continuous variables. These continuous variables are also called as scale variables. The third one is ordinal variable. This is like a Likert scale variable which has a range or order. This is called ordinal variables. So measurement types are categorical variables, continuous variables and ordinal variables. Now we'll see selecting statistical method basing on these types. First we'll see about categorical variables. When you say select a categorical variable, you must see whether it is paid or not. So what is meaning of randomized paid? Like before and after you're talking. We want to analyze before and after. This is called randomized paid. When you have randomized paid, then you must use McNemar test. And next in the categorical variable is complete randomized design. For example, you want to discuss, you want to do the analysis. Like, is there any difference between male and female towards job categories? Like here we have two groups like male and female. Now this is called complete randomized design. In this case, you must use chi-square test. So categorical variable, you are going to see whether it is a paid one or not. If it is paid, McNemar test. If they are not paid, if they are independent, then you must use chi-square test. And next measurement type is continuous variable. In this continuous variable, the first one is univariate. Univariate means one sample. Now when you have one sample and it is continuous data, we must use one sample t-test. And if it is univariate but paid data, like before and after, just now we have seen, you want to measure the blood pressure before treatment and after treatment, paid. In that case, you must use paid t-test. If it is complete randomized, you want to understand, is there any difference between male and female towards exam performance or exam marks, then you must use independent sample t-test. So these three are continuous variables which are part of parametric test. After univariate, we have multivariate and continuous variables. When you have multivariate data, we can use correlation, we can use regression analysis. Okay. Now after continuous variables, we will see ordinal variables. In ordinal variable, again you must see whether the data is paid. If the data is paid, then we must use Wilcoxon sign rank test. And if the data is complete randomized, independent variables they are, then we must use Wilcoxon rank sum test. This Wilcoxon sign rank test is used when it is paid. And if they are independent, you must use Wilcoxon rank sum test. These two are called as non-parametric methods. You can understand in continuous variables, wherever you are using paid t-test. Okay. In non-parametric method, we must use Wilcoxon sign rank test. And if you are using in parametric methods, independent sample t-test. In non-parametric methods, we must use Wilcoxon rank sum test. We will see in the next video the other type of test and under what conditions we can use.